the truth.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna get ready with you. If you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my next videos. And now I will begin putting on some makeup on my face. Let's begin. So I'm actually getting ready to not to go out somewhere. I'm just getting ready to do a different video on my first channel. This is the second one. I have a first channel. It's in Russian, but I have a lot of very interesting stuff there. So if you speak Russian, or if you just want to hear how I speak Russian, you can go onto my first channel. The link is gonna be in the description below, and we're gonna begin by putting on some foundation. And don't be afraid, it's open only because this is... God, I hate my neighbors. I'm using the L'Oreal True Match foundation, Rose Vanilla. I actually got used to putting my foundation lately with my hands. It's better for my pocket and for my face. I don't know why, but it looks better. It looks, it gives me much more coverage, and I don't use as much foundation as I do with a sponge, so I'm gonna do that. See, it's giving me a lot more coverage, and it looks much more like my own skin. I don't know how to explain this, but it does. I know this foundation is a little bit dark for me, but... So I'm gonna use the Essence Stale Day 16-hour long-lasting concealer. They have such long names, I don't get it. And this is in the shade 10 Natural Beige. Everything will be in the description down below also, so if I don't mention something, just look in the description, everything will be listed there. Now we need to powder, and you look at this and you think, oh, Coty AIRSPUN, okay. So first of all, this is in the shade Translucent. Second of all, I have a mix here. It's a mix between the Coty AIRSPUN and the RCMA No Color Powder. I have pretty oily skin, so I feel like it works for me. I like mix it 50-50, and I think it works. This is a puff that you usually get in your... It's not the usual puff. I don't know why, but I feel like this one is like pressing the powders into my skin much better. I bought like a pack of those, and I use them with all of my powders actually right now, and you can use it with your foundations also, because it's not the usual fabric that you get on a puff, and those puffs are actually really cheap. So if you want to try it, just look it up on Amazon maybe, or I don't know, eBay, wherever you shop. It makes my skin a lot smoother, and it's even like closing my pores. So to contour my face, I'm gonna use the Freedom Professional London Pro Strobe palette, and I don't know why they called it the Pro Strobe palette when it's more of a contouring palette. This is how it looks. I'm gonna use this one to contour my face. So now, since I already have this palette in my hands, I'm gonna use this shade to highlight my cheekbones and the whole face. So the highlight is on, baby, and it's really bright. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera, and again, all the products will be listed down below, so check it out. Hi! Yeah, they're back. Now we're gonna move on to the eyes, and today I want to try and use those two palettes. These are the ColourPop Golden State of Mind and All I See Is Magic. And I swatched them with you guys, but I never really tried them on in a video. I'm sorry again, but I'm not gonna stop now because I don't have time for this. So I'm just gonna speak, and I'm sorry about the noise. So yeah, you almost can't see the name because it's like so blinding. I'm gonna use those two and we'll see what we're gonna end up with. We'll just see. We have a lot of beautiful shades in here. We have a couple of mattes and shimmers also, but we have transitioning shades in here. Let's do this one. And I'm gonna use this one, and this is Big Spoon. The Big Spoon shade. Oh, this is very nice. So now I'm gonna take a smaller fluffy brush, and I think I want to go with this mauvey shade in my outer corners. Ooh, I love this color. And I'm gonna take the first blending brush that I used, and I'm just gonna blend the edges a little bit better. Just like this. Now I'm gonna take this smaller, fluffy but angled brush, and I'm gonna take this shade and concentrate it in my outer corners now, not blending it too much out and up. And I'm gonna smudge the leftovers of this color on my brush and to my lower lash line. Something like this. I'm gonna go back to this blending brush, the smaller one, and again take the mauvey shade just a little bit to smoke it out on the lower lash line. And now I think we're gonna move on to the second palette to put some shimmer on my lid. Let's see what we've got here. We have a lot of beautiful shades, and I think I'm gonna use this color in the middle, and it's called Can't Stop. I'm gonna put it with my finger. This is the easiest way to put some shimmer on your eyes, and just pressing it. Oh my god, it's already blinding. Look at it. It's so pretty. This is so beautiful. And I'm adding it a little bit in the inner corner, of course. Look at this shine. Oh my god, it looks almost white on the camera, but in real life it's like this very light brown mauvey shade. It's actually blinding. I love it. The shades are so beautiful if you love shimmers take this. You won't regret it.
The only problem with this palette is that I need to leave it in the box because you have here all the names, and here I can clearly see what I'm using and the names because you have the colors here also. And this one doesn't have any colors, it just has the circles, and you don't really know if you're using the one you think you're using. So it always confuses me when you have the names on the back of the packaging.
So now to finish this up, I need some mascara. Here you go, guys. This is the finished look, but I forgot about blush and lipstick. Should we put them on? I would actually finish at this and go on doing my own thing. For a daytime look, I would put just a little bit of a gloss or a lip balm, which I already have on my lips. I have a lip balm. But if you want it for the nighttime, you can put something mauvey. It will look cool, I think. So for the blush, I think I'll use something very neutral. You can use the same shade but lighter, like the eyeshadow on the outer corner. It will look pretty cool, I think. But if you're going for the more neutral look, so you should take something very neutral like this. This is the H&M FACE Palette. It's very universal, I would say. So let's put this on. It's very subtle, but you don't need a lot when you have such a bright eye look. So for lipstick, I found this, oh my god, this is CELAVI Ultra Matte Lip Gloss. Oh my god, I can't see even the shade. So this is like this mauvey pink shade. It's very nudie but at the same time cool toned, and I think it's gonna go very well with this eye look. Ooh, now it looks very bright, but I think it actually looks cool. I want to put a little bit of this eyeshadow on the center of my lips. I don't know why, but I want to do this one, and I think it will look cool. Okay, it's a little bit too much, so you can, I think in the middle of the lips it looks a little bit too much. So I put it, like, smudged it all over my lips, and now it actually looks like a metallic lipstick. So here you have two choices for your lip color, and this actually turned out pretty cool. I kind of like it when it's this metallic shade. It looks nice, I think. So yeah, I guess this is it. I hope you liked this look, and I hope you liked this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget that notification bell so you won't miss any of my next videos. For now, I hope you're having a great day. Try this look and show it to me in my Instagram. Like, tag me or something. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
The truth.